Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mustafa and I am a PhD in the field of medical sciences. I am your instructor for the course of molecular immunology. It's a 300 level course, and that course is designed to teach you to help you to understand about the immune system at a molecular level. So we are actually living with a lot of bad things. I'm talking about the bacteria and viruses and other pathogens. So whenever they manage to enter into our body, most of them are eliminated with the help of the available arsenal out there, because that arsenal was created and evolved out of our coexistence for a very long time. But there is always something new out there. The bacteria, viruses, they actually get mutated over the period of time. They change their shapes and structure. So over the period of time, they just become very much new. So if our body do not have the appropriate arsenal available to kill one particular bacteria or virus, what happens? Our body try to capture that bad thing and then try to read that bad stuff. They try to understand the bad thing. And after that, they pass on that information to the next members of our immune system. The next members are the T cells and the beta cells. The job of the T cells and the beta cells is to create a specific response against that specific new bad thing. The job of the T cells is to produce the cells which can kill and eliminate the bad thing as well as the infected cells. The job of the beta cells is to produce antibodies, and those antibodies not only eliminate the microorganism, eliminate the bacteria or the bad thing, but that information is preserved in the beta cells as well for the rest of our lives. So we are supposed to be saved for the same bad thing if it appears once again in our body in the future. And that is what we call as immunity, and that is the basis of the vaccination as well. So together we will going to understand all these, blah blah molecular mechanisms, that how these cells communicate with each other, how they pass on that information, how our cells are able to distinguish between bacteria and virus. And together we will also going to study the relevant research publications just to update our knowledge about the current things of molecular immunology. This is a very relevant course today in the light of pandemic, because the vaccine development is totally dependent of our understanding of the immune system. So all these wonderful things we will be studying in this course, and I'm really thankful for you guys to registering this course, and I welcome all of you to my class, and I'm waiting for the time when I will going to give you an environment where you can ask your questions freely, frankly, and without any fear. So thank you very much, you guys, and looking forward to see you. It's bye-bye from my side. Allah Hafiz.